Today I have a SP LaserJet 1008W printer. Today I will show how to reset this printer and reconfigure with your Wi-Fi connection. Okay, let's start. And you can see our printer is ready. Turn off the printer. Yes, and printer is turn off, and turn on the printer. Printer is turn on, and it will take some time to initialize. And press and hold cancel button and Wi-Fi button both together. And it will take 15 to 20 seconds, and when the power button is blinking, and release them. And it will print it. And this is the printer. You can see this also here. Here is the network key, and this is the Wi-Fi password, and this is the direct Wi-Fi. Okay, now this information is okay, and you can connect this printer directly Wi-Fi using this password. And let's install it. And here is you have to be remember. And this is the 1008 printer, and when you download the printer you have to be remember this model. If you download the 108W printer, this driver will be not work with this printer. Okay, let's install it and show. And this is our computer screen, and here is the driver model, and 1003 to 1008 full software solution. Okay, double click it and run. Next, and I have the renew the accepted the in license agreement. Next, and select the wireless network connection. Okay, top yes, I will set up the printer wireless network. Select, and using USB cable, I connected the USB cable, and using USB cable. Next, and you can see here is showing the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, I will connect the busy visitor. And next, and here is showing the password, and if you Wi-Fi is connected with your laptop, it's automatically take the password. And next, next, you take some time. And finish. Select the test space and finish, and it will be print. Check it. Okay, our printer is okay. And disconnect the USB cable from here, and USB connection is disconnected. I will give you print wirelessly. Okay, this one, printer properties, and give the test space. Yes, and you can see USB connection is disconnected, and here is the printer. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.